So, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Siegfried, and today I just want to give my perspective on what I think the crypto market might do in the next 3 to 6 months or 1 year. So, yeah, I'm going to start with Bitcoin. So, if you can look my chart here, you realize that I use this T3 indicator. So, this is a custom indicator that I made with my group of traders. So, we made this custom indicator to help us predict the macro trends in the crypto market and other markets in general. So this is a very, very, very good indicator to predict like what might happen in months and years to come. And what I can think, what I see in the market right now is it doesn't look good, guys. It doesn't look good because if you realize each time if you go really back in time, each time we break this indicator, either to the up or the downside, you realize that we have an extended move either up or down. So we realized that the last time we broke this indicator to the downside was in 2018, and we broke this indicator last time, and that was 2018, and that was when we had the last bear market. That's when the last bear market in crypto began. So yes, that was when we had the last bear market, and it took about, we broke it in like May of 2018, and it took like almost 1 year to recover, like to pass, for the price to cross back above the indicator. And the last time we broke below, that was the COVID crash. It took a few 3 months to pass back above. I think about 3 to 4 months to really cross the indicator again. So we realize that in the past, when the price crosses this indicator, it's for at least an extended move towards the upside or the downside. And that's what is happening right now. We cross the indicator, we crossed below this indicator last month at the end of 2021. And what I think might happen is, we are going to see at least an extended move here for 3 to 6 months or maybe a year. So the way I like to do my analysis, generally I start with like the economy, then I go to like the total market cap of crypto, and I also look at times like altcoins, the total crypto market cap for altcoins. And then, I might look like some main cryptos like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, BNB, and the others. And you also see that looking at the total market cap for crypto is a similar thing we are seeing here, because you're seeing that the price on the weekly chart, I use the weekly chart by the way, is breaking the T3, and this doesn't look good, guys, for the market. It doesn't look good. You have to see it, you have to be logical, you have to, be objective and see what, and just observe and take decisions accordingly. So I think the best thing to do here is just to be like spot in cash basically, and just observe what's going to happen in the next months, like next 3 to 6 months to a year, because you see this doesn't happen most of the time, and if it's happening now, so you have to be careful. You have to be patient to see what's going to happen in the next coming months, basically. Especially with what's happening in the economy. If you look at the S&P 500, realize that on the S&P 500 either we don't break this often. With what's happening in the economy, the conflict between the Biden and the Fed, the power guy. Basically, Biden wants cheap money to stimulate the economy, but you can't do that. You can't just print your way out of inflation, right? You see rising inflation and stuff like that. You can't just basically there's this conflict, this macroeconomic conflict in the USA, the economy, which is the Fed wants to increase interest rates, and the market is panicking. So basically, guys, the economy doesn't look good. It's crossing the indicator. If you look at crypto, it's crossing. Everything is crossing below. If you look at like total market cap for altcoins, if it crosses and closes below this level, you can see. I think I wrote these things like a few months back. I just said, I'm going to start buying out in like May of 2022, because if the price crosses below this indicator, then you're going to see at least an extended bear market for the next few months. So I think the best thing to do here is just to be to just be cash and be patient to see what's going to happen next. Well, those were my views, guys. Looking at Ethereum 2, everything is crossing basically below. And the next move for Ethereum might go like to 1,700 level. And if it crosses that level, then it's at least the $500 level. So everything doesn't look good, guys. Everything doesn't look good, guys. So these were my predictions. And if you like this, just stay around the channel, just subscribe, like the video, and I'm going to try to make this often because I see a lot of crap going around in the market. A lot of people just trying to predict, short-term moves. I'm using the weekly chart these days. I think it's better because you can catch these, macro trends in the market. And yeah, those are my predictions, those are my views. Stick to the channel, stay tuned, and see you guys later.